This is compliance number 2 in the upgradation of to senior secondary level. This is our school building, and you can see the main entrance. It goes to the first floor, the main office, and we have the ramps. We have the ramps in the side, so we are going towards the ramp. So we have a ramp to get inside the ground floor of the building. So it's easily accessible for the wheelchair to get in. So according to the size and everything we have created. It goes into the ground floor. In the ground floor we have only the dining hall, MP hall and health room. Then we are moving towards the lift. So this is our lift. So we have an electrical room. And every rooms have been marked with the numbers. So for moving to the each floor, we have the lift facility. Everywhere the safety stickers are being used, the electrical room and everything, and including for the lift, the emergency alarm, all the details are being given. So we are going to check the lift access to the from the ground floor. We are moving on to the first floor. So this is the first floor. This is the first floor. Now we are moving on to the second floor. So the lift access, we are checking the lift access to each floor. Lift is moving to the second floor. This is the second floor. Now we are moving on to the third floor. So this is the third floor. So the lift is working in each floor where the academic things are going on, and we have a ramp in the entrance, and the proper incline safety measures have been taken care. So this is the number 2 compliances in the upgradation to senior secondary level. Thank you. Yes, so this is compliance number 3, the upgradation to senior secondary school level. So it is saying that we have converted the regular cubicle into CWSN toilet. It was at the time of our affiliation time, but we have now recreated the new toilets by breaking down the washrooms. So we are going with the wheelchair. So we are going with the wheelchair to check the access of wheelchair in the CWSN toilets. This is the first floor washroom. So previously we had a normal cubicle. Converted into CWSN toilet. But right now we made a new one, breaking down the two bathrooms and we made into a new CWSN toilet in each floor. So we can see the sliding door and the wheelchair can easily go inside without any problem. See that? And the wheelchair can rotate. Easily the wheelchair can rotate and it can come out. So there is no problem for the wheelchair to move in every floor. So this is CWSN boys toilet in the first floor. Let's see the CWSN toilet in the first floor of the girls. So the wheelchair can easily move the first floor girls washroom. Easily can be moved. This is the first floor CWSN girls toilet. You can see the wheelchair can go inside. It can easily, it can be rotated and it can come out. So this is the first floor CWSN girls toilet. So we have every floor there is CWSN toilet and it is accessible, so that easily the wheelchair can move around. We have fixed as well as movable handrails in the washrooms with the panic alarms, safety alarms, safety instructions, everything has been fixed in the CWSN toilet. Thank you. Our science lab, the composite lab, we have given our traditional name of Composite Science Lab, and we have given a unique name Eureka to our science lab. So this is our science lab. So when you come inside, we have the exhaust fans have been installed as per the IC members instruction. We have a demo table for the teachers, demo table with the gas connection, with the wash basin facilities. We have projector in the science lab, we have television in the science lab, and we have a center table with the wash basin and all the facilities, gas connection and all the facilities. Easily we can accommodate the students. And we have the side table that also it's more than 3.3 feet long, more than 3 feet long. The side table with all the, it's a composite lab, it's not a separate lab for all the subjects, a composite lab. We have all the TLMs, the physics, biology, primary TLMs, chemistry TLMs, all the TLMs have been arranged separately. And we have added a new space additionally along with this for the physics and biopracticals. The additional table as per the IC members instruction have been arranged. And we have a preparatory room. We have a preparatory room to keep all the chemicals and all other extra materials. All the chemicals, acids and everything has been kept inside the preparatory room. And when in future, when we go for the senior secondary science stream, we'll be constructing a separate lab and surely we'll be taking care of the other directions from the IC group. So we have enough place for the 36 students for the sitting and doing everything, a separate demo table in the heights. And all the facilities have been given. The fire extinguishers, we have the fire extinguishers, we have the emergency eye wash, the skeleton cabinet, notice board with all the safety instructions have been given in the science lab. So we have compliance number 6. In that, school has affixed temporary paper signage in the prominent places like library, lab. So it's not like that. Actually, we have given, all the doors we have given 2 names. One is the regular name, that is composite science lab, and you can see in the lab we are given a unique name, that is, this for the science lab we are given Eureka. But that day the IC members said they will not, the CBSE may not be understanding what is that, so better you put a sticker on that. Only for that we put a sticker. Otherwise, past 4 years we are using the same way, including our classroom names. We are not using A, B sections. We are using different name to that to avoid a kind of the parents problem, because parents believe that A section students are good, B section students are not good. To avoid that, we are given the different names. We have a new sit area. So we have a classrooms also, we are given different names. So this is about the science lab. So we'll move on to the computer lab as well as to the library. There also we use both the names, but that day in the inspection time, the IC members said us to cover that and put the other sticker, the regular sticker. So we done that. So in the second floor also you can see the classroom names, and this is the library. We use the word book tip, but you can see there is a regular name also for the library. So both the names have been used. It is not like that. We did not make any temporary arrangements. This is our library. And opposite to the library, we have the computer lab. You can see the computer lab. And we are given a name, InfoByte. Right, you can see that. And same for all the things we use different things. Let's go down and this will help us, our students, to learn about the portmanteau words, how to create a portmanteau words. They'll be able to think beyond, like out of the box thinking, to develop the out of the box thinking. We use different words. We have the matrix. That's a maths lab. And we'll go down to the first floor. So everywhere we used a unique name. So we are going to the first floor. So it is only with the for the IC members instruction, according to their direction, we put a sticker on that. We have both the names in both the sides, but we try to teach the students some unique names which is connected to their subject. Now this is our first floor. Here also you can see the teachers room, the teachers staff room is used as synergy. So the teachers staff room is used as synergy. So in all the rooms we are given these unique names in all the floors.